What's going on, guys? Up for sale in this video is a fully customized E-Z-GO TXT Elite. If you're within the United States and you would like to purchase this, they are currently offering free shipping right to your door nationwide anywhere in the US. So this golf cart right here has been taken down to its frame from a 2019 E-Z-GO TXT and fully built up to make everything new again. First and foremost, this is a limited edition Blizzard Shift color which features a sleek matte white that shifts to shades of icy blue in certain lighting and depending on what angle you are looking at the cart. When it comes to power and speed, this golf cart has it both. Usually on a standard basic stock golf cart, you can expect to go about 12 to 15 miles per hour, but not with this one right here. This cart has its speeds fully unlocked and can go up to 25 miles per hour. And if you know the golf cart world, that's pretty fast. Up front, in addition to the Storm Body kit, this features flush-mounted LED headlights with diffuse accent lights. The included light kit also features high and low beam functionality, turn signals, integrated horn, as well as accessory that will allow you to add on underglow LED light strip if you like. In the middle, we also have the large fascia and grille, which make this golf cart look extremely aggressive. On both sides of the golf cart, we have a fully adjustable side rear view mirror. Moving further down, we have four very large 14-inch rims on all-terrain big 23 inches tires. Looks really sleek, sporty, and nice. Now, of course, the front windshield is also adjustable. You can fold it down like it is right now, or simply lift it up like so and lock it in place with this rubber piece on both sides. Do the same thing over here. And just like that, you are protected from the cold weather, the wind, the rain, whatever it is that you don't like flying in your face. Or whenever you like to feel some cool breeze air, just fold it back down. And as you can see, both front and rear seat have upgraded premium diamond stitch seat cover. The back seat can also be flipped out like this into a flat bed. And this allows you to carry anything around the house, the yard. And once done, you can fold it back to have passengers sit on there. And it is also very sturdy as well, guys. Also has seat belts, 2 in the back and 2 more in the front. And below the seat, you do have this storage compartment cover. You can simply take this off if you do not want to leave it on. But personally, for me, it looks really sleek and nice. So I like to leave it on just like that. The back also have LED tail light, turn signal, hazard light, as well as brake light. Looks really sleek and clean. Moving over to the driver's side, of course, we have another side rear view mirror. Also adjustable. Steering wheel column. This does come equipped with the street legal light kit. So that's the hazard light. Press once to turn it off. Press again to turn it on. Here's to control the accessory light as well as the main light. So on the inner port, all you have to do is turn it like that. That activate the accessories. I do have the underglow light on here. And on this part is the main headlight and tail light right there. And this is the horn control. Horn is pretty loud. Press down for the left turn signal. Up for right turn signal. Back in the middle to turn off all the signals. Over here is your ignition. Of course, this is an electric cart. So when you put the key in, turn it on or off, you will not hear anything unless you engage the motor and you'll hear the motor rolling. You also have a USB and USB-C port output to charge your phone, tablet, or whatever it is that you need. More storage compartment along with 4 cup holders, gas and brake pedal. And here's your charging port right below the driver. And here is our gearbox. F is for forward, N is for neutral, and R is for reverse. And when you put it in reverse, of course, it beeps. Front seat also looks really luxurious with the diamond stitch seating. Also have seat belts. And if we lift the seat up right here, you will be able to get access to your lithium battery pack. This is a 48-volt cart, and the nice thing about Samsung lithium battery is it is totally maintenance free. There's your tow and run switch. If you ever need to push the cart, make sure to switch that over to tow. The best thing about lithium battery, totally maintenance free, never have to check the water level, never have to add any distilled water in it at all. It's just riding it, recharging it, and riding it some more. And did I forget to mention, guys, this cart does have a 6-inch lift kit, which give it a much higher stance and aggressiveness. Last of all, it is 100% street legal, ready for the streets. Check it out, guys. It is beautiful even at night. Now let me show you the underglow light. Check that out, guys. This is probably one of the best looking carts I've ever seen. So cool. Look kind of like a BMW X7 with those underglow light coming through the mesh, the grill on the front, and shadow down on the ground. How awesome is that, guys? Give you a quick look at the back. This thing is a beautiful monster. So guys, if you would like to check it out, I will leave the link to it in the description box down below. Click the link, check it out, and again, they are offering 100% free shipping right to your door. Let me know what you guys think about this cart down below in the comment section, guys. Thanks everybody for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.